Okay, so quarantine has gotten me a little stir crazy and I have decided to color my hair. I'm kind of nervous about that because I have never colored my hair before. I mean, myself. I've professionally had my hair colored, but anyway, let's get right to it. I got Overtone, which some of you may know. It's like a color depositing conditioner. I've seen a lot of videos. I've watched a lot of videos. I feel like I know what I'm doing. We'll see. I got the colors Pastel Purple and Pastel Silver. So I'm going to give both of these a try. I kind of want to do like a combo of the two and see what comes out. I do have, I mean, my hair's medium blonde, I would say. There's definitely some bleached spots in there that are lighter than the others. My roots are pretty dark right now. But I'll show you the back so you guys can see the length. I got the two colors. Let's section my hair first. Okay, so my hair section, I'm going to start with this front piece here, I guess. And I'm going to mix some of the colors together. So once again, I have silver and pastel silver and purple. So I think what I'm going to do is do like silver on top and then a mixture of the two and then like purple on the ends. Hopefully it turns out okay. This one is the silver. It's very purple. I'm not going to use gloves because I feel like I can't feel my hair properly with the gloves. I want to make sure that I saturate my whole head. Here goes nothing. This is so nerve-wracking. Okay. I don't know. That might be a lot. I'll start with a little and we can always add more. So this, like I said, is the silver. I'm just going to do it up at the top. I was actually expecting to be like overly like excited about this smell because all the videos, like they open it up and they're like, oh, it smells so good. And I mean, it doesn't stink, but I mean, I actually personally love a menthol smell. It doesn't really smell that menthol-y to me. Or minty. I guess, I mean, it is minty, but it's not like that minty, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's kind of part here. And if Brad Mondo watches my video, he's probably like, girl, you need a system and you need to stick to it. Sorry, Brad. I've been watching your videos, but this is as far as it's got me. I really hope this turns out silver, like a pretty silver, like I want it to. Oh my goodness, that's purple. I don't really know the best way to mix this. So I got a spoon. And I'm just gonna get a dollop, put it in there. And same. And then I'm just gonna kind of swirl it together a little. I don't want to mix it too much because I do want it to be like a gradient of the two colors. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm coloring my hair purple. No going back now. Okay, and then for the ends, I'm just going to take some purple, just straight purple, and do that. Okay. So that is done. I don't know if I should like, I'm just gonna spin it together like this. And I wish I had some clips. I don't have any clips because like I said, I don't do hair ever. Will it stick? It's pretty sticky. Ah, yes. Okay. All right, so this is the mixture of the two colors. Okay, and that was just purple on the ends. I really hope this turns out cute and it's not crazy looking. All right, so gray first. This is a pretty blonde piece, so I bet it's really gonna show the purple. pretty. Like, this is the exact purple that I want. So I really hope that when that washes out, that turns like that. That is so pretty. I actually love that. Adding just a little bit more, making sure that I'm completely coated in the midsections, and I'll go over the top again. Okay, see, I feel like that looks more coated, like it's supposed to be. And just because I don't want to waste it, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this mist that I have and just go through it again. Because I'm not about wasting, and I've already mixed those colors together, so I can't really put them back in the jar. I want to say each jar was $28 or $29. They do give you a link to where you can get $10 off, so I can post that. You get $10 off, I get $10 off. So everybody's happy if you guys want to purchase some Overtone. Okay. I definitely feel like this is fully saturated now. For sure. Okay, I'm just going to go in with the gray and just do the roots again real quick. At least just the top of my head. And I'm going to go back over the ends with the purple. Okay, so I didn't use gloves, and you can see it did stain. I haven't washed my hands yet, obviously. But so I still have this much purple and then this much gray. So that's probably enough to let me do it at least one more time. And then I also went ahead and got the Pastel Silver Daily Conditioner. So this is something you can use to keep your color vibrant and looking good. I wanted the purple, but they were sold out. So I just got the silver for now, and we'll see how that goes. It says wait 10 to 15 minutes. I did see a bunch of people saying to wait a little bit longer than that, so I am going to wait a little bit longer. I'll probably keep it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it out and see what it looks like. But right now, as you can see, I can definitely see the purple in it. Maybe a little bit of the silver. We'll see. I figured my top, like my roots, wouldn't take much because they are kind of darker, but hopefully the sides and stuff take well to that silver and you can actually see the silver color through it. And then I will use the daily conditioner as well to keep that silver going. Hopefully the purple doesn't fade too much, but I do have plenty of the purple treatment left that I'll probably be able to keep the purple nice for a little while at least. So I'm going to wait for about 15 minutes or what did I say, 30 minutes, and I will come back and let you know once I rinse it out. Right, so here is the final look, and I'm not mad at it. I do think I'm going to touch it up again and just add some more silver in there, I believe. I do really like the silver. I don't know if it's coming across properly on the camera, but the purple is really pretty. Let me pull it all over. Yeah, I feel like it's definitely more purple in person than it's showing up on camera right now, but I do really like it. Let me get a good picture of the back. Brush it out, because I haven't even really seen the back. So hopefully that's getting all of it in there. I'm going to actually curl it and see how that looks, because I know my hair always shows like the texture better and like the color better when it's curled. So I'm going to curl it and see how it looks like that. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. When I was downstairs, I didn't think that the gray took the silver took as much as it did, but in this lighting, it actually kind of looks like it did do pretty good. I will say I want it to be a little more gray and silver at the top, but I did think that it would be hard to take up there because my natural color is shining through and it's a little darker. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with how this looks. Like it's not over purple, it's not too purple, and it's really fun, and it blended really nicely. Like there's no harsh lines. It looks really good. I'm pretty pleased. For my first time coloring my hair, I think it did really well. So I'm gonna go curl this, and then I will be back for my complete final thoughts. Okay, so here is my final like styled look. This is like literally the only thing I know how to do to my hair, which is just use a wand and curl it. But I'm actually really liking this. I think it looks really good. I will say I will probably touch up and do a little more silver. But for now, I think it looks really good. And for my first time, I think I did a really good job. So I'm proud of myself. Pat myself on the back. But I think it looks really good. The purple's really pretty color. And the silver's pretty. I really hope it's turning up on camera what it looks like. But overall, I'm really happy with this. So once again, this was pastel purple and pastel silver with Overtone. And it's a color depositing conditioner. And I would probably use it again. I would probably buy it again. I know it's going to wash out and fade over time, but I didn't want a fully permanent color in the first place. So this actually works out perfect for me. And I'm really, really happy with it. I think it looks great. I'm probably going to add a little more purple to the bottoms and a little more silver, like I said, but I like it. I like it a lot. I wish I had like a lot of blonde hair, because like the really blonde streaks, the silver looks so good on. So thanks for watching. And then once again, I know I said that there is some type of code that you can get $10 off. And if I share it and you go and buy something, you get $10 off, and then I get $10 off for my future purchases. So I will find that link and put it in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching.